Presenting a pre-owned 2002 Lexus SC 430. This two-door convertible has an 8-cylinder, 4-liter V8 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Lexus has less than 93,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 16 miles per gallon in the city, and 21 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition, has glossy paint, has no scratches, dents, or rust, and has been fully detailed. It has only had one owner, has never been smoked in, was garage kept, has had all scheduled maintenance completed, and has been inspected by the dealer. Key features include anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, universal remote, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, traction control, navigation system, and power windows.